What if I told you that the best method you could ever use to determine why you're feeling exactly the way you do every day and to get to the root causes of your health imbalances would be to assess your own physical body? What if I also told you that your best defense against any virus or disease is to utilize your own God-given immune system? All herbal supplements, vitamins, and minerals are amazing for the body, but it doesn't mean you have to take them all. Cutting off certain trigger foods that make you feel bloated, have headaches, and just sluggish throughout the day is crucial for maintaining your health. But a lot of times you don't know which ones are causing it. The good news is we can help you with everything I just mentioned. By looking at your eyes, your tongue, your teeth, and accessing your meridian system through applied kinesiology, we can help determine exactly why you're feeling the way you are and help you restore the balance to your health. We can also suggest what foods you should be eating and what foods you should not be eating that's making you feel the way you are, because it all starts from what you eat. By only supplementing the nutrition your body's lacking and stopping certain trigger foods, your body will regain health and maximize your immune system. So if you've been struggling with something for so long and can't just quite figure it out, give us a call. Because remember, your health is your greatest wealth.